Let's talk about gold and pocket watches. It's January 2024 and I recently had an opportunity to join one of the first auctions of the year, and they had 7 pocket watches, all in gold, up for auction. And so I set my marker prices, did my due diligence, and just like our IWC pocket watch, they had this beautiful 14 karat, 18 karat gold cases. And when the auction came along, I put my bids in, and my results, total failure. I didn't get a single item, and I couldn't understand it. The watches that I priced up were based on the IWC purchase, which was $750 for a broken watch, I admit, but it's a good quality IWC, and these weren't of the same quality, I would say, and the prices were 20-30% higher, over $1,000, and in fact with buyer's premium 25%. One of the watches that I wanted, the same size of this, went for $1,250 plus taxes, and I couldn't understand it. But I think I've discovered something here, and bear with me while we run through some numbers. So these are all British gold sovereigns, and that means that they are 22 karat gold at 8 grams here. That's what you'd expect for a British sovereign. Actually, they are calibrated at 7.98 grams, but there could be a little bit of dirt on these. They're old. This is the same era of that IWC watch, 1922. So these are 22 karat gold, which means they have a purity value of 91.67%, and that extracts 7.32 grams of gold. So 7.32 grams of gold, and these retail just under $500 at the current time, $495. So let's consider our IWC watch case. This is all stripped down, so it's just the 14 karat gold. The crystal is removed, and of course the watch movement and crown has gone. $23 grams. Now our watch case in this case is 14 karat, and this is 58.5% pure gold. So this extracts 13.46 grams of gold, and at today's value, just in pure gold content, that equates to $910, and therein is our problem. It's not just the raw value of the gold horrifically melted down and all that history and provenance lost, but the unscrupulous can also extract the movement and start to tear that down. At the moment we're still rebuilding this one, which is a caliber 73, and even a caliber 73 in poor condition can easily fetch $200 or more. And if we add in some of these dials, these can exceed $100 and $150 as well on their own. In fact, if you start breaking this down into various components with a little patience, you can extract $400 in value easily from everything that's in here, including additional gold content. So we're staring at the unfortunate tear down value of these beautiful old watches in excess of $1,300 or more. Isn't it a shame that people would do that? Well, that's not what we're here for. We're going to continue our rebuild of this beautiful IWC Schaffhausen pocket watch and get it back up and running. That's the plan. But I thought it would be interesting to understand this, why I was so far off in my estimates of value for these pocket watches, especially the higher carat and bigger size watches. Like this one is a 16S, but larger at 18S as well. 14 carat and 18 carat, expect these to be selling well in excess of $1,000 US at the current time. Oh well.